So we got a 2012 Lexus CT200H. It's a hybrid. Drain plug, oil filter. This takes 4.4 quarts of 020 synthetic. I don't know what spec. I'll have to look up the spec. And then a M980 filter. This is for if you look it up in the Mighty catalog. But pretty easy. Just change and drain. This you probably only want to torque to about 25 Newton meters. However, you do need a special tool for this that I'm going to show you here. Okay, so this is the special tool that you need. You get it to interface in this piece like that. It's a Toyota oil filter wrench, I guess is what they call it. This one came from Mac, and then this is a 14 millimeter drain plug. So 14 millimeter socket, wrench, whatever works. And there you go. You have taken out your oil filter. I already pulled out the old oil filter, but your kit's going to come with a couple O-rings. You only need the big one in this particular instance, and it also comes with this, which you didn't need because if the filter was vertical, you'd stick this in the bottom of it where a little cap would come off and it'll let you drain it. But if you don't use this and if you don't use this, then you don't need this because you didn't take off the cap, and all you need is the big O-ring. So just take a pick tool or something, easily get under that O-ring, and then just work it off. Now that we have our new O-ring, we can just get it in one of the pieces and just work it on. It's pretty stretchy. Then I usually like to take a little oil and just wipe it on the O-ring so that way it's nice and lubricated. Take a new filter, pop it in, and you're done. And you just reinstall it and torque it to about 25 Newton meters. If this had the thing that you could use to drain, there'd be a socket right here, but since this is all covered, it's just a cover. And yes, torque it to 25 Newton meters, which it says it on the cap. Most of these plastic ones do say that. Also remember, it's plastic. Don't kill it, because you will break it, or you'll make the next person that has to get it off break it, and that's a problem. So then you put a new gasket on your O-ring, put that up there, and then we'll fill it up with fluid. So to get to where the oil plug is, it says for service. You got this little clip. What you do is you pull out the center, and then you pull it down. I'm putting it back up right now, so you push it up. I already put that one in. You can use like a little pick tool or a screwdriver or something like that, and you just put it up in there and push it in, and you're locked in. It's not going to be like super tight though. It's still plastic. Now you're going to go fill it up. So to reset the oil, we got to make sure it's on trip A. Turn the power off, off, and then we got to hold the button down and turn the key on, and we'll see it count down. Blink, 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 blink. Done. Reset, reset. We can put it back on the odometer. Fantastic. Fantastic. Everything is good. Everything is good. So, well, just put a new sticker in it and it'll be great.